Towering at a staggering height of 8,848.86 meters, Mount Everest is the crown jewel of the Himalayas and the highest point on Earth. Known locally as Sagarmatha in Nepal and Chomolungma in Tibet, this majestic peak is more than just a mountain. It's a symbol of human ambition and nature's unyielding power. Situated in the Khumbu region of Nepal, Mount Everest forms part of the border between Nepal and China. Its creation dates back over 60 million years, born from the collision of tectonic plates that thrust the Himalayas skyward. Today, it stands as a monument to the incredible forces of nature, a silent guardian of the skies. For adventurers, Mount Everest represents the ultimate challenge. Each year, hundreds of climbers from around the globe journey to its base camp, braving treacherous conditions to stand on the roof of the world. But this is no ordinary trek. From the notorious Khumbu icefall to the perilous death zone, every step is a battle against altitude, weather, and sheer exhaustion. The Sherpa community plays a vital role in these expeditions. With unmatched strength and knowledge of the terrain, they guide climbers through some of the most dangerous sections of the ascent. But for the Sherpa people, Everest is more than a livelihood. It is a sacred mountain, deeply woven into their cultural and spiritual identity. Beyond the allure of summiting Everest lies a vibrant world at its base. The Khumbu Valley is dotted with monasteries, colorful villages, and warm hospitality. Travelers here experience not just the grandeur of nature, but also the resilience and culture of the Nepalese people. From the fluttering prayer flags to the rhythmic chants of monks in monasteries, the region pulses with life and spirituality. Yet Everest is changing. The effects of climate change are evident in its rapidly retreating glaciers and unpredictable weather patterns. Increased tourism and littering have also raised concerns about preserving this natural wonder for future generations. As climbers and adventurers, our role extends beyond reaching the summit. It is also about ensuring the mountain's legacy endures. Mount Everest is more than a destination. It's a testament to the enduring spirit of exploration and the fragile beauty of our planet. As we marvel at its grandeur, we must also pledge to protect it, ensuring that this incredible icon of Earth remains untarnished for generations to come.